And amyloidosis can be classified as hereditary amyloidosis, where it occurs due to two mutations. One is an apolipoprotein A mutation, another one is a transthyretin mutation. So, hereditary amyloidosis, although very rare in children, we need to know there are two types of mutations, apolipoprotein A and transthyretin mutation. AA amyloidosis is due to an underlying chronic inflammatory condition. This AA amyloidosis is the only type of amyloidosis seen in the pediatric age group. So, the pathogenesis behind amyloidosis we will just see. So, this one is the hereditary amyloidosis. Because of a transthyretin or an apolipoprotein A mutation, mutant proteins will be produced. These will get aggregated and will cause the amyloidosis, where there is a chronic inflammation, chronic activation of macrophages, IL-1, IL-6 are produced. Increased serum amyloid protein will be produced, and this undergoes an incomplete proteolysis, gets deposited in many tissues extracellularly and cause AA amyloidosis. Acquired mutations are also common, in which there is a monoclonal B lymphocyte proliferation. So, B lymphocytes gets differentiated into plasma cells. Many immunoglobulin light chains are getting produced, and that undergoes incomplete proteolysis to form AL protein. So, this is the pathogenesis behind